It's quicker than the eye.
You will obey. Your death approaches. Round 2, fight.
Knucklehead.
So
I didn't clash. It whiffed. I hit you, and your move whiffed. So that's why the armor activated. He only got that move in last. Man, I play with that junk.
you will obey.
Mike, don't lose to the T-Pain music. I ain't getting no beater.
Finish him.
I can't do this all right now.
Quan, Cassie Cage.
I've never seen him play this game. Never at all. Never. I've never seen him play this game. So I don't know what he doing. All I know, he keep posting them shotgun pictures. I mean, the rockets.
He got a long come on.
I never.
With Jackie, he was shooting that gun.
Talking about the gotcha grab combos. Yeah. I know how to do those.
Coming in hot. Drop paper.
Man, get back, man. Hit and miss. She calling Dr. Doom. You ain't bad. Cold. Just a black man. No folks are talking about it in the stream, talking about Quan jumping neutral punch, one of the best in the games. Some folks are like, that's actually like one of his best wake up options.
Yeah, just jump up and do it. Not the other move, just jump up and do it.
Cause it's so quick. I don't think it's the priority. All of them stupid like that. It's the range. It's the range, and then it's just, yeah, it's the speed.
It's the speed, and it's like active a long time, bro. You can get me so
It's like that with Raiden too. Raiden's go out real long, but he got a sweet spot up under him where he can't hit you. Yeah, it's a sweet spot.
You will obey.
Yeah.
wake up thing when she wake up and throw bones. Like wake up move.
She got a she got the run through your move.
That's a wake up.
Yeah, and then she got the EX gun. Well, she shoots up. Yeah, that's if you're gonna play full auto. But I like that shotgun because it got some resets.
Round 2, fight.
Full auto got unblockables, but nobody using it. She got that low rocket. She you can hold the rocket. You can hold it and detonate it when you want to. So she can shoot it, and then you wake up on it. You do the mid with the overhead with it. Ouch.
Final round, fight.
I made violence look good.
You will bow. Kill her. Round 1,
I can't hear this song without laughing. Cause of all the stupid remixes folks have made.
Cleared hot. Coming in hot. Gotta think for punishment.
Dope bomb, and a peel bomb.
Death approaches. Round 2, fight.
Target mark.
Oh no.
Strike inbound. Inbound.
Okay, it come out regardless.
Not impressed.
Liu Kang got there too.
I know he got 4 circle.
You hit the button, I think you only hit the button like twice. He do like 4 kicks.
We out here, gotta make sure you air right in.
All Quan Chi strings, one. He got one string where he do multiple hits with, like, press the button once. That's the nasty hands. That. Well, actually, no. That's right. He actually does have to hit the button for each attack. My bad. But it is one button. Well, no, it's forward. What's it? Forward, triangle, then square, then triangle, triangle. Something like that. One of them doggone Kung Lao strings is a sliding button press. You gotta do 1-1 sliding 2-1.
Something like Gary hands or something?
Yeah. Dude. I was like, for real? Cause I was trying to I was trying to see something in training mode. Then I couldn't figure out how to do it. What is this song?
You feel like Jack got that rush? She ain't got a rush down.
Yeah, she is a rush down character. She really fast. In your face character.
Round 1.
Like, what you think of the kind of character Jackie is? She can do that in all of them. High Tech got a lot of damage. High Tech is really dumb. Cause she can power up her hands. Like she like man with iron fist. She power her hands up and then she got a move that does 10% like by itself. That's safe. Like it's a special move that she does. It's just one hit and it's safe and it does 10% and then if she powers it up it does like 17 or something like that. And she can combo into it. She get a lot of stupid damage.
You weren't even trying.
Round 2. Fight.
Why not just swing it regular?
Finish him.
Super die.
Round 1. Fight.
You will bow.
Round 2. Fight.